Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make my lovely fried chicken. So as you can see, I've already washed my chicken, taken off the skin, wash it in vinegar and water. If you don't have vinegar at home, you can always use a lemon to do it. And guys, I'm going to show you the seasoning I put on my chicken. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Also, the other seasoning is all-purpose as well, and it's 1 tablespoon. They are just different brands. And I've got 1 teaspoon of salt. When I'm making my chicken and my food, I do not use a lot of seasoning. I try to cut down on the seasoning I use. So guys, I'm showing you how I'm putting my seasoning on my chicken. So go ahead, pour that seasoning over your chicken. We're gonna pour another all-purpose seasoning that we have all over the chicken as well. So guys, make sure you wash that chicken properly, take off all that fat and everything. As you can see, I am pouring all my seasoning over my chicken. Make sure you get every bit of the seasoning out and put over your chicken. And now I'm putting my salt over my chicken. So I'm pouring all my salt over my chicken. There you go, as you can see what I'm doing. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers that is already on my channel. I love you guys. Now I'm gonna incorporate all my seasoning in that chicken. So guys, don't be afraid to just incorporate that seasoning. As you can see, I'm not using the gloves or anything because I am cooking for myself, and when I cook with love. And I did wash my hands, so my hands are clean. I rather to cook with my bare hands rather than using the gloves. So make sure you incorporate all that seasoning, guys, into your chicken. And there you go, all season incorporate in your chicken. You can leave it for about an hour or you can leave it overnight. I leave mine for about an hour because I did it on the same day. Now I'm going to show you how I made my batter before I start frying my chicken. So I'm using about half a cup of flour with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to incorporate that all-purpose seasoning with my flour. So as you can see what I'm doing there, guys, I'm incorporating my seasoning and my flour together. So keep doing that until it's all incorporated. I'm gonna put some oil in my pan now. That's 1.5 cups of vegetable oil, and you're gonna leave it until it becomes 365 degrees. So while your oil is getting hot to become 365 degrees, you can go ahead and coat your flour over that chicken. As you can see how I'm coating my chicken in the flour. Make sure you cover all the chicken in that flour, guys, and you just need to just keep repeating this process before you fry your chicken. I am also going to give my chicken a second coat as well. I don't coat my chicken one time when I'm frying it because I take off the skin and everything, and you don't want it to become dry. So I put 2 coatings over my chicken. So coat that chicken twice before you start frying that. Keep coating your chicken before you start frying it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you. I appreciate that. As you can see, I'm coating my chicken for the second time around. And if you notice, I'm not using egg or I'm dipping it in water, egg or anything. I don't like to fry my chicken that way. This is how I love frying my chicken, and it's very tasty. So give your chicken a second coat to make sure your chicken don't become dry when you're frying it. So as you can see how I'm doing that, guys, coat all your chicken before you fry them. It depends on the quantity that you're cooking, but I'm not doing a lot of chicken. But I always like to prepare my chicken before I start frying them. And voila, that's it when you coat them. So guys, forgive me, I didn't video the bit when I put it in the pan. I thought I did, but I didn't press the recorder, so forgive me. So as you can see, my chicken is in my pan, and you're gonna turn your chicken every 4 to 5 minutes. And when I am frying my chicken, I don't leave the kitchen until I am finished, because I don't want my chicken to be burned, or I don't want to forget that I'm in the kitchen, because you need to turn your chicken every 4 to 5 minutes so that it can soak through and be cooked very good. So you have to turn your chicken every 4 to 5 minutes. So as you can see that I'm turning my chicken every 4 to 5 minutes so that it cooks through properly and evenly. So guys, make sure you don't leave that kitchen. Stay in the kitchen for that little time you find the chicken, because it's worth it. So as you can see, I'm turning my chicken, and look at that color. Look at the color. It is so beautiful. It is so nice. And guys, it looks like a lot of oil is in the pot, but trust me, when you finish frying this chicken and you put it on a paper, on a plate, that oil would drain on the paper, and your chicken would be lovely and succulent. And there is not a lot of oil in my chicken when I fry it. That's what I've heard from people that have eaten my food, and I can vouch for that also. So I'm taking out my chicken out of my pan, and I'm gonna put more chicken inside, and you will see this time when I'm putting my chicken in my pan. There you go. I'm putting in my second batch of chicken in my pan. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can drop anything under this video. You can write whatever you want to see me cook. So yeah guys, just keep repeating the process that I've showed you before. Keep turning your chicken every 4 to 5 minutes, and make sure that chicken is cooked properly right through. You don't want, when your chicken is finished frying, you bite it and you get a little bit of blood and stuff. You don't want that. So stay in that kitchen, turn that chicken every 4 to 5 minutes. And I just want to say shout out to my mama and my granny that taught me how to fry chicken in a pan. Yeah, you know, most people fry chicken in a deep fryer, guys. As you can see, I'm using my fork to just poke through my chicken so that it can soak right through easily, so that the heat can go through that chicken. That's my little tricks. So use your fork and you punch that chicken, especially when you're making chicken breast and the thigh. You do that and that chicken will cook right through nicely. And remember to keep turning that chicken. Keep turning your chicken, guys, every 4 to 5 minutes. And when your chicken is soaked through properly and it get that golden brown color, you can take your chicken out and you rest it on a plate and piece of paper towel. You can rest it on paper towel. As you can see in the video, I'm resting it on a paper towel on the plate to make sure that it drain properly, the oil drain, and enjoy that meal. And I'm taking out my last chicken to place it on the plate with my paper towel so that it can be drained properly. So that's my chicken all done. Look how beautiful that is. You can eat it with whatever you want to eat. This is what I ate mine with some vegetables, sweet potato and avocado. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.